Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using some new online exclusive products. The Marbled Elegance Specialty Designer Series paper is going to be one of them. And we're also going to be using the Hearts and Hugs stamp set. This is available right now, and it does have coordinating dies, okay? Now, these online exclusives, they're brand new, but they won't be available to customers until November 5th, 2024. Okay, so before we start on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Filled with Joy paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 8 projects, fabric stockings, and paper tags come in a unique box this month. We also have the Merry Tags and More dies add-on. They are $12 for 3 dies that coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. Oh, and I forgot to say, the classic stamping spot for this kit is Poppy Parade, okay? So there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our kit collection sale. This sale is going to be going on from the 1st of October to the 31st. You have all the kits that are in the kit collection can be found online. Those are going to be up to 30% off. That does not include paper pumpkin or the online scrapbooking kits. Just the kits collections that you can find online, okay? 30% off for some, so up to 30% off. Next, we have our starter kit promotion. This is when you sign up to become a Stampin' Up demonstrator between October 1st and 31st. You'll get $155 worth of product in your starter kit for just $99 plus tax. Your starter kit also includes free business supplies and free shipping. And I do believe you get a paper pumpkin kit in your starter kit as well. So if you never had paper pumpkin, you'll get a sampling of that. All right. So this is an extra $30 added value to the starter kit. So if you're going to spend $99 on any products, you might as well purchase the kit and get an extra $56 for free. You don't have to do videos. You don't have to sell anything. You can join and just enjoy your discount, or you can just join to get extra $56 for free, and then nothing happens if you don't do anything else. You just go back to being a regular customer. That's all. So for the month of October, this is our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code, because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. I have a card base here of thick basic white that is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, and we're going to burnish that down with our bone folder. I've gone ahead and got some basic red cardstock. This is 5 by 3 3/4, and I added a piece of basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, with a strip of Designer Series paper that is 3 1/2 by 3/4, and a strip of the silver and gold brushed foil paper. This is the gold, and it's about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to start by doing some stamping here. And we're going to be stamping in Tuxedo Memento Black on this card. I'm going to stamp an inside sentiment that says, so it's there when you need it. And I forgot that I was going to do stamping, or I wouldn't have put my inside together. And we're going to stamp hearts. Okay, and let me get some Poppy Parade stamping blend, and I just want to color these hearts in. Okay, so that's it for the inside, and we're going to go ahead and put this in using our stamping seal. Yes, I have not given up on it. I'm going to keep trying. And for those of you that haven't been watching my a little bit festive series, I've been practicing with my stamping seal. Okay, so we have that done. So now I have a piece of Designer Series paper here. This is, what is this? This is 2 by 5 1/8. Okay, we're gonna adhere this down to some gold from the brush gold. I've die cut out of it to save my golds because I only bought one package of this, so I didn't want to, you know, use it all. So this is a 2/4 by 5 1/8, and we're gonna adhere these two together. So let me get my craft sheet here, because when I adhere this, since I cut out images, yeah, this side, I don't want the adhesive to go on my desk surface. So okay, so we're gonna put this on here. It's gonna go from end to end. Just like that. And then, oh, I need to do some stamping because I do have to adhere something to this. So I need to stamp my outside sentiment that says sending a big hug. And I want to try to get it as low as I can. Okay. And I need some scissors because we're going to cut this. If I could cut straight, ooh, that would be so great. I don't know why I have such a hard time getting things straight. So what we're gonna do, let me see. We're gonna put a little bit of adhesive. Well, I actually need to put adhesive all over this, so I can go ahead, I guess. Because we're gonna have our sentiment underneath here. So let's just sit this down. And I'm gonna put it about right there. Does that look straight? About like that, just like that. Okay, then I have another piece of designer series paper that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And we're going to adhere this right across the middle of that designer series paper. I want to make sure we get it on straight. No overhang, that is wonderful. So now we're going to adhere this down to our card base. No, oh goodness, I almost adhered that. This is going to go on another piece of gold that is 5 1/4 by 4. And I've already gone ahead and cut out the middle of that as well using the deckled rectangle dies. I'm happy I remembered that. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, so now we can add adhesive around the edges of the gold. Ooh, sticky, sticky. Okay, now we can adhere this to our card front. Just like that. Okay, so now I have another piece of scrap basic white here, and we're gonna stamp the little mouse from the stamp set. Just like that. And I think that's all our stamping done. Now I am going to color. So what I want to do, I know I want to color this heart, so I'm going to get my Poppy Parade light. I'm going to color that in. Then I'm going to get the dark. I'm going to do a little shading. I'm going to try to blend that out. I know it's a small space, but it does make a difference. You can see the difference. Okay, so now I have light and dark smoky slate, and I am going to start with my light. Just like that. Then I'm going to go to the dark. Then I'm going to get my color lifter and I'm going to blend this out. Sorry for the squeak. Just gonna blend that out. Then I have some light bubble bath here, and we're gonna do his inside of the ear, the nose, the feet, and the tail. Okay. And I think I did the hands because those are really feet as well. He's just standing up. Okay. So then I would take my scissors and fussy cut this out because I did not purchase the dies, but I did that ahead of time, and here it is. Cute, cute, cute. So let's finish putting our cards together. I did forget to say, let me see. I am also using these Hearts of Elegance dies. I did it, I went ahead and did it ahead of time. I cut out this largest die here and the next one down. The largest one is in the brushed gold foil. And then we have one in the designer series paper pattern, okay? From the marbled Elegance. So let's go ahead and adhere these down to our project. I'm going to adhere this down flat, about right there. And I want to get this heart, and we're going to adhere this. Oh boy. We're going to put this one about right there, like that. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. Let's see. I want some small ones. Do I have any mini dimensionals? Yes. So we'll use a couple of these minis to pop up our little mouse here. Oh, I think I forgot something. Let me take these backings off. I have a piece of the twisted gold thread that also comes in this suite. And I just want to, hold on to it, Shauna. I just want to make a little nest of a mess and put it about, let's see where we're going to put our mouse. Put it about right here. Come on. I want to put it about right there. Then we're gonna sit our little mouse right over it. It's just some added decoration. Go ahead and fluff it out so you can see it. It's just an added little bonus. And then I have the Adhesive-Backed heart sequins that also come in this suite. We're gonna add a couple of these. Where's my take your pick tool? I'm gonna add a couple of these around. Let's add, no, I'll do a little one right here. I think there's 3 different sizes. We'll do maybe a medium down there. Then I'll do one of the large up here. Just like that. That is the card done. Isn't that cute? I love that. So nice and simple. Sending a hug, a big hug, so it's there when you need it. I love that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you another card I made. Since I cut this little heart out of Designer Series paper, it had a little 4 by 2 3/4 strip of paper, and I cut the heart out of it, and I didn't want to waste it, so I made this card out of my scrap. So I cut the little heart out of here and just made another card using the same little mouse, but I used pecan pie to color this one. I have some pecan pie here, early espresso, basic white, stamped in cherry cobbler there. This sending birthday hugs, I don't know what, I think this is the summer splash. That's what the card base is. I found this, I stamped this and had it in my stamp case. So this card was put together basically using scraps. But it's a shaker. Now the shaker bits are the iridescent shaker circles, but they're retired. But you can see I put a little heart there and 2 there. But yeah, it's cute, right? And the inside. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.